Hi writers, welcome to week 4. This video is going to go over the discussions and the discussion boards that are happening in week 4. On the home page, you can scroll down to our links. Remember, any questions, concerns, or comments, you're going to click here if they're general. If you have a question about how to do a journal log, there's samples there. If you need anything that's general, then you're going to post it here. The other two discussions that are here, we have the essay workshop, discussion 8, and then we also have sample essay workshop for essay number 1, discussion 9. So this week is all about really making sure that you understand the prompt for essay number 1. If you click on the first discussion, there is a video that kind of goes over it. It's an older video, but it goes over your options. So you have a few options here, and you can click on that video if you want to see what those options are. But basically, for this particular discussion, you are going to be sharing what you are thinking about doing for your essay number 1. So you want to pick stories that you liked and enjoyed the most, and then you want to use those as the inspiration for essay number 1. Going back to the home page, the other discussion for this week is a workshop. Workshops are really helpful, sample essay workshops, so you can kind of see in fullness what it is that I'm looking for. We have a couple samples here. There's also a video on this discussion, so you can see what it is I'm asking you to do. Again, there's only 2 discussions this week, but they're pretty meaty, so you want to slow down and take your time and make sure you feel good going over the sample. And if you have any questions, please make sure you post them here online. If it's personal, then you're going to want to go ahead and text me or email me separately. Again, there's the 2 discussions. If you have any questions, post them here. Have fun with essay number 1 and give each other feedback to help each other grow and push yourselves a little bit further. Have a wonderful week 4.